Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Sivan's Tech, and in this video I will show you how can we apply to different types of insulation. Different type means that can be different material, different thickness, different purpose of that insulation to a connecting pipe. Basically it's not like last time in last video we did like we applied insulation for the complete piece of pipe, but today we will be applying two different type of insulation, and this is a query asked by one of our subscriber. So let's start guys without wasting our time. So let's suppose this is a pipe in which we have to apply two different types. Here it will be hot insulation and this side it will be cold insulation. So how can we do that? So for the same feature, whatever we do, last time we were in a pipe run because we were applying the insulation for a complete pipe run. But now we are in a piping feature because we are going to apply one by one. So till these flanges, because I selected these flanges, and apart from this, from that place to till here, I am going to select here. I can select one by one, or I can just press the shift from starting to end, just double click this, it will select all. So once you selected this part till now here, the same procedure whatever we did last time, go to the properties. In the category drop down you will find insulation and tracing again. Here you make it user defined. You can select, let's suppose it is a cold conservation, or you can select anything like this is a fire protection. Select any material, select any thickness, let's so I give 76, give any different temperature, and I'll just apply. As soon as I apply, now we can see whatever part we selected got insulated with the material what we selected. Now we want to give from here to here a different type of insulation. So now the same procedure, we need to select this complete piping, go to the properties, and same again in the drop down I'll go insulation and tracing. Here I'll go for the user defined. Instead of fire protection I'll go here like some other category I can select, like this will be cold conservation. I can give any material, calcium silicide, and I can give the any thickness from here. Let's suppose I give the different thickness, and I can give any temperature. It is not mandatory. Let's suppose I give 25, 20, whatever you want, just an example, and say apply. Once we applied, now we can see the difference. This is a less insulated, this is a less thickness insulation, this is a different, and now this is coming in this way. So this is the way how we can apply the insulation to different type of insulation in a one connected pipe. So I hope it is clear for you guys. Thank you so much for watching the video, and if you still have any doubt, just let me know in the comment section. Thank you for watching.